Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting on a trusted device. Sign into your account now and go straight to Account or Profile, then Security. Once there, find the section labeled Recovery Email or Recovery Options. This is the control panel for account recovery. Make sure you're using an account owner sign-in because many settings are hidden for secondary users. Once you see Recovery Email listed, pause and confirm the primary login is correct. Then click Edit or Manage to reveal the current recovery address and any linked verification methods. Once you've opened recovery options, click Edit or Manage to reveal the stored recovery email. Often it's masked, so you'll be prompted to verify your identity. Use the displayed verification choices, text code, authenticator app, or trusted device to confirm it's you. After verification, the full recovery address will appear. While here, review linked phone numbers and 2FA methods. They can also help regain access. Make sure to note whether the recovery address belongs to you or an old account, because that determines your next. After you confirm the revealed address, choose Update or Add to set a new recovery email if needed. Enter the full address exactly, then send the verification link or code. Go to that recovery inbox, find the message, and confirm. This completes the update. Once done, test the setup by initiating a password recovery flow to ensure the email receives messages. If you don't see the verification message, check spam and filters, confirm the typed address, and wait 15 minutes before repeating or contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.